During the third month of pregnancy, it is necessary to visit the gynecologist in order to begin proper monitoring of the pregnancy and to perform certain diagnostic tests. Initially, urine and blood analyses are conducted to check that all parameters are within normal ranges. The mother's weight and blood pressure will also be recorded, measurements that will be monitored throughout the pregnancy. Following this, the gynecologist will conduct an ultrasound to take the embryo's measurements and verify that it has a heartbeat. The combined first trimester screening, also commonly known as triple screening, is a medical test that provides information about the likelihood of the embryo having chromosomal abnormalities. To perform the triple screening, the gynecologist takes into consideration the following parameters obtained from the maternal blood test and the ultrasound: the placental protein associated with pregnancy, the beta-HCG, and fetal neutral translucency. If you want to learn more in detail about this test, I recommend you to read the article that I've linked for you on the labels. At the first gynecologist visit, an estimation of the baby's birth date will also be conducted. To do this, the embryo's measurements obtained from the ultrasound and the date of the woman's last menstruation before conception are taken into account. Typically, delivery takes place roughly 40 weeks following the date of the last menstrual period, as long as the woman has regular periods.